Hey, what's up, guys? It's Dave Book here with you again. Welcome back to the Hitchhiker's Guide to Internet Marketing 101. This is episode number 7, and today we're going to be talking about pre-frame videos and how you can use those inside of your internet marketing business system to create relationships, establish authority, and draw more traffic, convert more sales, and put more money in your bank account. All right, that's really what we're looking for here. We're looking for the components that you can use inside of your automated internet marketing system, and a pre-frame video is one of those components that's very, very important to have, very simple to implement, and very easy to create. Okay, so if you guys watched the last video, episode number 6 of the Hitchhiker's Guide, we talked about capture pages and how you can use those to collect an email address, which is to build your asset of an email list that you can market and follow up with. Okay. Now, right after somebody puts their email address into your capture page and they get onto your email list, what I recommend doing is using lead pages, like we talked about last week, to actually create a pre-frame video page. All right. And basically, what's going to happen is somebody's going to put their email address into your capture page, and then you're going to set up your capture page to redirect that person to your pre-frame video. Okay, so and now the purpose of a pre-frame video is to initialize a conversation with your prospect and to put yourself right in front of them, so they can see your face, so they can hear your voice, and so they can see what you have going on. And really what you want to do is you want to start building a relationship with those people. Okay, you want them to get to know you a little bit so that they can trust you enough to go ahead on with the process and look at the information that you have, and hopefully in the long run buy your product, service, or join your opportunity. Okay, so the pre-frame video comes right after the capture page, and it's going to tell your prospect a little bit about yourself and what your product, service, or opportunity is going to do to solve your target market's problems, pains, or complete their desires. All right, you're going to tell them how your information is going to benefit them. All right, the prospect is always thinking when they're looking at stuff. They're like, "What's in it for me here? What am I going to benefit from this particular product, service, or opportunity?" Right? That's always going through their head. Like, just think about when you're searching for something online. Let's say you're looking for how to make a specific type of meal. You want to learn how to cook something, and you're searching along through Google. You're on Delicious, and you're looking at different recipes and different blogs, different websites, and all of a sudden you come across a capture page where someone is asking you for your email address in exchange for a book of 50 recipes that you can use to cook meals for your family at night. All right. Now you go there, and they're offering to give you that list of 50 recipes in exchange for the email, and you're really thinking, what's in it for me here when I give this person my email address? And if that capture page communicates the offer well of what you're going to get, and the benefit for that offer outweighs the value that you give to your email address, then you're going to do that exchange, and then hopefully someone is going to put in a pre-frame video after that capture page to tell you a little bit more about what's in the recipes, how you can use the recipes, maybe what ingredients there are going to be, how much time you're going to have to spend, and you're going to get to know that person a little bit better so that you may want to use their recipes and eventually buy something from them in the future, as opposed to someone who hides behind their computer screen and really only markets via text. And it just gives you better marketability, and it allows you to build a relationship with that person right there as soon as they become a hot lead. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to jump on to my screen share, show you a couple pre-frame video templates that I use. Okay, and we're going to jump right over to lead pages. Okay, so lead pages is what we used in the last video to create opt-in pages, landing pages, squeeze pages, or capture pages. All right, they're all called the same thing. Now you can also do pre-frame video templates with lead pages as well. So what I've done is I've logged into lead pages here, and I clicked on the opt-in pages button here because they have some good video templates. All right, so I scroll down, and this is one that I wanted to use. It's called the video squeeze page. And I'm just going to show you how to set one of these up real quick. Super easy. Of course, you need to have the video made that you want to link to this. Which, of course, if you haven't created a video, you can't link it to your lead pages yet. So, but we'll talk about that in another blog or another episode of the Hitchhiker's Guide. So here we got the basic video page, right? And we can change this. So let's say, like internet marketing for beginners. Okay, and then we can click on the video part. You can put your embedding code in this box here. That'll link your video up to it. If you're uploading videos to YouTube, it's going to be really easy. You just go over to the video that you want to share, click the little share tab, go to embed, and it's going to give you a code. You cut and you paste it in this little box here. Right? It's super simple. Then we got the button text down here. You can change this around a little bit. Whoops. Let's try. Okay, yeah, there's the button text. You can say you change that. Click here. And really, on a button, you want to have a call to action, which actually tells the viewer what to do. All right, it's going to be some sort of action language. Click here, meaning do something. Click this. All right, and this is more a version of a capture page, really. So we're not looking for an email address here. What we're looking for is just some engagement. So you might be sending them to a different piece of content after this video. This is going to be a pre-frame video, so you're probably going to want to send them actually to maybe a sales presentation after this video. So we could say, check out the presentation. Okay, so maybe in this pre-frame video, say you're marketing those recipes again. You talk a little bit about the recipes, why they're going to be beneficial to the prospect. Then you say, if you want some more information, then check out the presentation now and click that little orange button down below, and it'll take you right to my blog where you can learn so much more about how to cook, how to use recipes, different ways to feed your family. Something like that. That may be what a little bit of the end of your pre-frame video to get them to take some action and go see the rest of your content. All right. Now you may also be sending them to a sales video, like I said before, which we'll talk about in a couple episodes from now. How you link that sales video up with your funnel or your ship. We're building the ship to travel the galaxy. That component of the pre-frame video is going to be sending someone to an email list and then sales presentation directly after that. So we'll talk about that, I believe, in episode number 8 or 9. Okay, so then you can customize all this stuff, and if you don't want to send them anywhere, you can actually get rid of this guy. And there's nothing there, so it's just a blank. If you want it to be pretty generic and you just want to give valuable information and not really try to pitch someone to go somewhere, then you can do it this way as well. And like I showed you guys last time, you can change the colors for all these guys pretty easily. Let's see. You can change the gradient to green, right? You can change and customize all this stuff. It's really cool, right? So you can customize this to make it look however you want, right? And then you can also integrate your opt-in form, your email autoresponder service to these pages if you like as well. For a pre-frame video, I definitely wouldn't recommend doing that because you're supposed to have already captured the email address on the capture page. All right. So that's pretty much it about a pre-frame video, the technical side of it, and how to put it together. Right. This is pretty easy to do. If you guys got questions more about setting up pre-frame videos, you can go ahead and drop them in the comment box below here, and I'll do my best to answer all of you guys' questions as soon as I can. So the main reasons for creating a pre-frame video, like we talked about a little earlier, is to, number one, create a relationship. All right, you want to get the trust from your prospect, all right, you want them to trust you enough to give you their email address, and you also want to start building that relationship so that they'll eventually buy a product or service from you or join your opportunity. Okay, so this pre-frame video set right after your capture page is a great opportunity that I recommend that you take to initiate that conversation with your prospect, to get your face in front of them so that they can see who you are, they can hear how your voice sounds, and they can get to know you a little bit, and then so they can trust you to move on down your funnel in the long run and eventually buy something from you. Okay, so pre-frame video, Hitchhiker's Guide to Internet Marketing 101. This has been episode number 7. Guys, thanks for listening. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to learn this information. This is some good stuff that when you apply to your internet marketing business, this can produce some serious results for you that you wouldn't normally see if you didn't have a pre-frame video inside of your system. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Have a great day. I'll talk to you later.